Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add combo animation on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project. And if you want to add combo animation to your video, just go to the lower bar and tap to the first button, the edit, at the lower left corner of the screen. At the lower bar you can find the third option, the animation, next to the speed. And you can find three options, the in, out and the combo. Click to the combo animation and you can find different options, and just select one, for example. And if you finish, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.